In response to the demand placed by Maulai leaders for suspension of police personnel involved in the encounter of former militant Chesterfield, thank you, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma stated that action will be taken only after the judicial inquiry report is submitted. He informed that the chairperson of the Meghalaya Human Rights Commission, Justice T. Waipai, will be heading the inquiry committee.
In the meeting, they have presented a memorandum where they have put down few of the points and the resolutions that were taken up in yesterday's meeting in Maulai among the headmen and the organizations there. So that memorandum was submitted to us. In that memorandum, there were about 4 or 5 points that they had mentioned. Number 1 was regarding suspension of the individuals involved in the incident that took place on 13th. Number 2, regarding the deployment of central forces. Number 3, regarding the internet services and the curfew that is on. And number 4, regarding shifting of the CRPF camp that is there, temporary, which was supposed to be temporary out there. All these aspects, many of the members spoke in detail and they expressed their concerns. And as a government, we have noted down all the concerns that they had. We have informed them that the curfew has already been lifted for a few hours, and as we observe the situation, we will further relax it. We have also ensured that the internet will start by 6 today in the evening, because we understand that a lot of students and youth are especially are suffering. And regarding the camp also, we have told them that this was never a permanent camp, but for a long time that camp has been placed out there, and appropriate steps to change that location, the process has started. And the CRPF has also indicated to us in a positive manner that they also would like to get a permanent location. So it's a win-win situation for both sides. So the process has started, and we will be shifting that camp from there after the procedure and process is done. And at the same time, obviously infrastructure also has to be created for the CRPF in the new location wherever they are placed. Regarding the issue of action against the individuals who were involved, we have informed all the members that a judicial inquiry has been set up, and this judicial inquiry will look into all the details of this particular incident that took place on 13th. And we have asked the Meghalaya Human Rights Commission chairperson, Justice Waipai, to head this judicial inquiry. So therefore, him being the chairman of the Meghalaya Human Rights Commission and also being the chairperson of this inquiry committee, it will be serving both the purposes from the human rights aspect and also ensuring that this judicial inquiry is given complete freedom and independence and full power to look into all aspects of this particular case. And based on that, we have also mentioned and informed all the members that only once the reports come into us, only when we find out the details, only then will it be able to identify who were responsible for what action, and only then will it be possible for us to take action in terms of suspension or any other kind of extreme order or action that has to be taken. And that the government is committed to doing that. But once the judicial inquiry report comes in giving us all details of the case. Apart from that, they also mentioned about different actions being taken. So we will look into that aspect. We told them that the government will examine all options and the government will take a call. So we have asked them to leave that to the wisdom of the government. But as I said, that the judicial inquiry has been set up, and we are confident that very soon the report will come, and based on that report we will take necessary action. Apart from that, they have also mentioned about the fact that in the future these kind of raids or this kind of operations should be done in close coordination with also the headmen. So we've informed all of them that yes, accordingly, appropriate procedures will always be followed, and in the future also we will ensure that more steps are taken in order to take people into confidence in such cases in the future also. And then at the end, we have appealed to the headmen and all the leaders who have come from all different organizations that they must work together with the government, because it is in the large interest of the people of Shillong City and the state as a whole that we have peace, and we should all work together to move forward to ensure that there is peace in the city and in the state. So they have stuck to the point, saying that this is what the demand and the resolution yesterday was passed. So they have expressed again towards the end that they would want suspension, and we have maintained that it is only when we have the report with us which informs us that who is responsible for what, only then action can be taken against the individuals. In order to clarify all doubts, we have constituted a judicial inquiry. This is under the Commissions of Inquiry Act. So this is a very, very powerful body, and it is completely independent, and therefore this would be the appropriate forum or the inquiry to look into this aspect, and keeping all those aspects in mind, that's the reason why we have formed this judicial inquiry.
Meanwhile, leaders from Maulai are adamant that the police persons be suspended, adding that they have given the government 1 week time to agree to their demands.
SP Shillong City in charge, kibolong kikmat, kibayalam yang kena tim banlej bersiap yap yai bak serius apa dengan kejeng tiapang. Teh habide begini kat kum kejeng keran jengi bat ki hak sarkar, hak kejeng lam jeng chief minister, ngiladap keran sai bang ngim hun ya kene haladap him pat ai ka suspension ya gini. Namar gidi gimen ki badan keti ya kene kekam. Nagaliang kejongi ngingistik ya kene namar ladala ban solve ya kene ka songsuk songsan kan wan hapok ka Mulai ka songsuk songsan kan wan hapok ka East Coast Hills bat hak ri khasi jan tiahi brokoi te kene gede ga demands ka ba ngimpat hun bat ni kan penting naru hang ne ba nagaliang kejongi ni ai puar ya ka sarkar sitayo lada kampala ban le ya kene ka benta kamot nagaliang kejongi ru ginum la ban ong ya ki bami hadian jong kata.
Apart from this, the leaders demanded relocation of the temporary CRPF camp from Maulai, to which the Chief Minister had informed that steps to change the camp have begun.